Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off high contrast keyboard in easy mode in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. Where to look for our modes options. First we need to go to our phone's settings. Then we need to navigate to display options menu. Next we need to scroll to the easy mode options. And here we have easy mode. To make changes to this mode, first we need to enable it. And here we have a few things that we can change: touch and hold delay and our high contrast keyboard. Here is our switch. Of course, we can change how our keyboard looks like. And to turn off high contrast keyboard, we just simply need to tap this switch, and without turning off the whole mode, we can disable the high contrast keyboard alone. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.